Have you ever looked at a word and thought to yourself, I've seen it thousands of times before, but why does it sound like that? Today, we're unlocking the secret code of English, how letters turn into sounds. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pick up most short English words and read them, even though you've never seen them before. English has 26 letters, but those letters make 44 different sounds. We call them phonemes. For example, the letter A can sound like A, like in cat, or A like in cake. C can be a K, like cat, or S like city. So letters aren't sounds, they're symbols for sounds. Reading English is really about learning to decode those sound symbols. So let's build a word together. Cat is cat. This pattern is consonant, vowel, consonant, or a CVC word. It's the simplest reading pattern in English. Try these with me. At is mat. Sit is sit. Ha-at is hot. You see the rhythm? We sound one letter at a time, and then we blend them together. That's decoding. To read almost any word in English, you just need the 5 short vowel sounds. Like in apple. Like in egg. Like an insect. Like octopus. And like umbrella. These short vowel sounds appear in thousands of words. Cat, bed, fish, box, sun. Once you know these sounds, you can decode hundreds of words instantly. Alright, now it's your turn. Let's decode these words together. Is map. N is pen. Is sun. So, pause the video and try these 5 words on your own. Jam. Jet. Pig. Pig. Top. Bus. Type your favorite 3 words in the comments and read them out loud. Remember to decode. You've just learned how English sound codes work. Next time, we'll add a powerful upgrade, the silent E, and how it changes a word. Hit subscribe, and let's unlock the reading code together.